Hi, Nancy. I think you're off to a great start here. You have your three separate approaches, each one done in two different layouts. We're looking at the visual hierarchy, one group being dominant over the other, and I would say that this one has the feeling of this group here being the dominant group. On this page, I'm not sure. Around this layout, I'm not sure which one I would consider visually dominant. Think about ways to better express that dominance here and make it as obvious as you can which group is dominant, which group is subdominant. Next group, equal dominance, pretty good right here. Quite often, top of the page is seen as the dominant position, and here it does seem that this group here is somewhat dominant over these other two, but not much, but just a little bit. Here I would suggest trying to figure out ways to get it as equal as possible. Which one are we missing here? Individual. This one, I would say, the single element is the least dominant element here because of the position of the other two in the upper portion of the composition, and usually that indicates dominance. Plus, they're bigger, so you have to figure out a way to get this single element to be dominant over these bigger groupings. And again, think about using negative space. Think about where the other groups are positioned, positioning them in subdominant places. This one here, again, the interaction that they're having here is beginning to show some dominance by the individual element, but again, try to make it as obvious as possible. Really push the idea of that single element being dominant. Okay, so please make your revisions and then repost them.